Welcome to Vyasa IAS CSAT course lecture number 48. Now in this lecture we are going to see coding decoding. See, coding decoding is the easiest part of CSAT. Okay, these are the questions which you will be able to do in any case if no one teaches you that if no one teaches you then also, but the commitment is to like go through each and every topic that comes in CSAT. Okay, so we'll see some questions of coding decoding. Let's go there. So what I would advise you when you are doing coding decoding questions, okay, that write very clearly, okay, because see, the only thing that can go wrong in these questions is that you can commit a lot of silly mistakes, okay, because there is so much of information in the question that you might get confused. Okay, so let us start with the question. Now, see, in this question, it is given 8 into 12 divided by 5 minus 10 plus 10. So, what will be your answer? But the question says that this multiplies represent plus. Okay, and we have this divide. So the sign of division means multiplication. Okay, multiplication means addition. Sign of division means multiplication. Sign of subtraction means division. Okay, and sign of addition plus represents minus. Okay, so obviously we'll do in this way. So what will it will come? 18 plus 12 multiplied by 5 divided by 10 it is, okay, and subtracted by 10, and subtracted by 10 it is, okay, and subtracted by 10. Now what will be our answer? See, we will follow the BODMAS rule, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first of all do division, then do multiplication, then add and then subtract. Okay, so 5 divided by 10 you will get 0 0.5. 0 0.5 into 12 you will do, so you will get 6. Okay, then 18 plus 6 when you will do, you will get 24, and 24 minus 10 whenever you will do, you will get 14. Okay, so the answer is 14. Fine. So this is how we do these kind of questions. Now let's move forward. Okay, so now look at this. It is written in a certain code language. Notes is written as 14, 15, 25 and 19. See, it is very beneficial because in case of coding decoding, if you know which letter corresponds to which number, okay. So for example, let us write all the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so here A corresponds to what? Here A corresponds to 1, B corresponds to 2, C 3, D 4, this is E is 5th alphabet, F is 6th, this is 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, the mundane thing, okay, 19, 20, 21, 22, okay, all right. Then you will have obviously 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so see, till I think till 1 to 7 we usually remember which number is that. uh, from here we start getting confused which number is 11th, which alphabet is 11th, okay, which alphabet is 12th and so on. Okay, so let us like just see notes. So notes, it is saying it is 14. Okay, note, it is saying it is 14. Okay, 14, 15. Fine. T is how much? T is 20. Okay. E is how much? E is 5 only. S is how much? S is 19. Okay. So it is just basically representing the rank of the alphabet. Okay. The rank of the alphabet. And also if you see Makar. Okay. Makar. So Makar is what? It is given 13. Fine. A is what? A is 11. K is what? sorry, A is 1, K is 11, A is 1 again. So that is why we have these 4 ones. Okay. And then R is obviously 18. So now we have to like decode lofts. Okay. Decode lofts. So L is what? L is 12. Okay. So now you know either C will be our answer or B will be our answer. O is what? O is 15. Now also we know either C or B will be our answer. F is what? F is 6. Okay, F is 6. Now you know C is not our answer. Okay, then obviously you can go for T. T from here also you know it is 20. So that is it. Okay, and S you know it is 19. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so you see in this question, in this option only 6 is missing, and in this option 6 is there. Otherwise, we can easily get confused because see both these numbers are very clear. But the logic is very simple. In this case, it was given notes is decoded as this one. So you just have to like remember the rank of the alphabet. Only that much is required here. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. Fine. So these questions are very easy. It is reasoning, and reasoning is how you reason. Okay. And everybody has reason. See, in mathematics, what happens is that when you do quantitative aptitude, you know you need to know some concepts and then you need to apply that. Okay. Reasoning part is easy because everybody has reason. That is why we are sitting here. Okay. We did some reasoning. We selected for applying for UPSC, CETAs or other examination. Okay, so we are doing this. So if you like if you are focusing here, so reasoning is very easy in UPSC. Okay, look at this printer, it is given and then it is asking about interpreter. So see, interpreter contains all those alphabets which are there in the printer. We just have to decode this which one is which one. So P is dollar. Fine, write very clearly. P is dollar, R is hash, I is at the rate. Okay, N is obviously asterisk, T is obviously exclamation mark, E is obviously the symbol and, R is obviously hashtag already we this hash, sorry, not hashtag, using too much of social media. Then I is obviously I is at, so all the four contains at. Okay, then N is obviously asterisk. You see everyone is containing asterisk as well. T is exclamation mark, I think. Yes, T is exclamation mark. Fine, everybody is containing exclamation mark. No, I think this one gets eliminated. B gets eliminated because third one is and. E is obviously E is and. Okay, so now still A, C, and D are still in the race for the answer. Okay, R is R is hash. Okay, R is hash. So A, C, and D are, D gets eliminated. Now it is between A and C. Okay. Now P is, P is what? P is dollar. Okay. The dollar sign. Okay. So A and C are still in the race. Now our race will end here. Why? Because P is this, R is already you know hash. Okay, R is you know hash. So this one contains hash and this was one contains ampersand. So this gets eliminated. C is our answer. Okay. Then afterwards you can obviously check because till R we have done. E is obviously ampersand. So there is ampersand. Okay. T is obviously exclamation mark. So they obviously exclamation mark. E is ampersand. Obviously it is ampersand. R is hash. So obviously it is hash. So all these are done. So now C is our answer. Okay, so it's very simple. We just have to see what the corresponding letter is. Here we saw P is the dollar sign, R is hash sign, I is at the rate, N is asterisk, T is exclamation mark, E is ampersand, and R is hash. Okay, so reasoning is very simple, but these kind of questions do occur. Okay, now look at this. This is saying trek is 8346. Okay, family is 29175. So what is reality? Okay, what is reality? Again, see, if you don't know what your alphabets are, obviously you can write them. See, there is a lot of time. Okay, there is a lot of time in UPSC CSAT paper. If you know the concepts well, so you can write it, or if you want to remember this thing to save your time, you can remember also. Okay, RSTUVWXYZ. Okay, so A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, F is 6, G is 7, H is 8, I is 9, this is 10. Okay, this is 11, 12, 13, 14. Fine. 15, O is 15, P is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, 26. Fine. Now T is, it is saying 8. What is T? T is usually 20. Okay. So 20th position becomes 8. R is what? R is usually 18. 18 position becomes 3. Okay. 18 positions becomes 3. E is what? E is 5. So 5 becomes 4. Okay. 5 becomes 4. K is what? K is 6. Okay, K is 6. See, in this question, there is one more thing. Whatever is like asked in this question, like trek and family is asked, so we don't need to apply this logic also, because this reality can be made from these words. Okay, so if you are like saying Y, so Y is corresponding to 5. Okay, Y is corresponding to 5, so write 5 here. But then all of our option contains 5. So let us see for T. Now T is corresponding to 8. We know here. So all of our options are containing 8 also. But this C is not containing. So this gets eliminated. Okay. I is corresponding to what? I is corresponding to 1. So we have 185. Now also these all three are standing in this race. Okay. Then A corresponds to what? A corresponds to 0. A corresponds to 0. So which one is standing in the race now? Only this one. Okay. Only this one. Why? Because rest are actually um, okay, okay. There is a little bit of mistakes from our own side only. There is some mistake in writing. Okay, because we have this as reality. So y is what? Y is 5. T is what? T is 8. I is what? I is 1. Okay, I is 1. Fine. Then we have L. Okay, then we have L. What is L? L is 7. L is 7. So this one gets eliminated. Both of A and B are still in the race. Okay, both of A and B are still in the race. Now A is what? A corresponds to 0. So 0. E is what? E corresponds to 4. So 4. R is what? R corresponds to 8. So 8. Uh, no. R corresponds to 3, so 3. Okay. So then you get 3407185. So this is your answer. You don't need this. Okay. You don't need this in, because this track and family is giving you sufficient information to make reality. Okay. So these are the easiest one question, but these come in UPSC. Okay. Now let us look at this. It is saying Q is equals to 10. Okay. Q is equals to 10. Fine. Wait a minute, wait a minute. So this one is saying actually Q is equals to 10. Okay, then it is saying facts is equals to 50. Then what does Xerox means? What does Xerox means? Okay, so let us try to understand Q is equals to 10, facts is equals to 50, and then what does Xerox means? Okay, so let us see. You again, you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, because see here the information is not sufficient. Okay, so then we need to make some logic. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, F is 6, G is 7, H is 8, I is 9, J is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Now see, Q is 10. Okay. Q is 10 means what? Q is actually what number? Q is 17. Okay. In actually it is 17. So then it becomes 10. FAX is facts. Okay. So F is 6. A is 1 obviously, and x is what? X is 26. Okay, but this is coming to be 50. Okay, but this is coming to be 50. If we add this, what are we getting? If we add this, we'll get 32 and 33. Okay, so 33 is coming to be 50. Fine. So what is Xerox? Okay, what is Xerox? So we have to find what is Xerox. Okay, now see. Okay, guys, look at this question. You have Q equal to 10, fax is equals to 50, and Xerox is equals to, it is asking. Okay, so let us try to write our series. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now see, if we like see, usually see we the q you will get your 17th number. Okay, f you will get obviously what? 1 2 3 4 5 sixth number. Okay, a you are getting first number. X is obviously what? X is, see, this is 26, this is 25, and this is 24th number. Okay, this is 24th number. So like q is 17 but it is giving 10. Okay, q is 17 but it is giving 10. Fax, okay, f is 5, a plus a is 1, and x is what? X is 24. So this is coming to be 30, but this is coming to be 50. Okay, so we are not able to make out what the Xerox actually mean, because Xerox will mean what? If we like apply this logic also, then 24 plus 24 will become 48 only. And then you see your options are small. Okay, the options are small. So we need some logic here. Okay, we need to deduce what this coding actually means. Okay, we need to deduce what this coding actually means. So let us like try to deduce. Now see, q is equal to 10 it is given. So either you like subtract 17 minus 7. Okay, so then it is getting 10. But if you like see facts, so 5 minus 7 you will do. So the series will reverse. You will get what? 5 minus 7, something like 25. Okay, because 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 and 7, so you'll get 25. Okay, then similarly if you will write a minus 7, and if we reverse this, okay, so 23 22 21 20, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, you are going to get 20. Okay, and then x minus 7, obviously 24 minus 7, how much you are going to get? 17. Okay, now this is way beyond 50. Okay, because this becomes 45 and this becomes 17, so this is way beyond 50. So this is also not the logic. Okay, this is also not the logic. Fine, this is also not the logic. So what is the logic? Okay, what is the logic here? Let us understand what is the logic here. All right, so we'll do what? We'll number this in reverse. So like start from Z, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, 26. Now q is equals to 10. Okay, q is equals to 10. Now this is what q is equals to 10 we are getting here when we are reversing the order. Okay, then you have fax. Okay, so what is f according to this new series? So f according to this is 21. Okay, so just write 21. What is a according to this? A according to this is 26. And what is x according to this? 3. Now 21 plus 26 is 47. 47 plus 3 is 50. So now we got it. Okay, now we got it. Now this is Xerox. So Xerox is like x is 3, E is 22, R is 9, O is 12, X is again 3. So how much we are having? This 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 12 is 27, and 27 plus 22 is how much? 49. So the answer is 49. So I hope you are clear with this thing. See, we saw the logic that it was not making sense. So what we try to do, we try to write number the alphabets from the in the reverse order. So Z, Y, X, we are trying to number this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. So we get here Xerox, it comes to be like what? 3 plus 22 plus 9 plus 12 plus 3 plus 27 plus 22. So we get 49. Okay. So this is how we do this. Okay, these are the kinds of the question often asked in UPSC. See, this is the most easiest part of UPSC. Now, it is saying due to you is coded as BA, DA and CA. And he is due is coded as XC, BA and LE. Is suit to is coded as BA, XC and CA, and U. U is equals to what? Okay, U is equals to what? So, see, it is saying due to U. Okay, so from here only we get that BA, DA, CA is something due to you. Now he is due. So what is common here? Only BA. In this and this coding, the only thing is common is BA. And in this and this coding, the only word that is common is due. So from here we get due is equals to BA. Okay. Now it is saying is SU2. Okay, is SU2. So in this and this, what is common? Is common. Okay, in this and this is common. So and in this, what is common? Is U2 is U2. Okay. So in this and this, due was common. Okay, fine. Um, X B A L A is U2 B A X C C A. See, so we get is, I think this must be due only, is due to. Okay, because then it will not make sense. Okay, so when we are like taking this is and is common, so we have only this and this term common. So this is become XC. Okay, is become XC if this is due. So then we know that due is BA only. Okay, then due is BA only. Fine. So from here we get 2 is CA. Okay, 2 is CA. Fine. So what is U? What is U? U is obviously DA. Okay. If we get 2 is CA, so what is U? U is obviously DA. Okay. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Okay, because in both of this is common. So is XC. Okay. In this due is common, so due is BA and BA. I think this is due. Okay, this is due. Otherwise, it will not make sense. Okay, then he and 2. Okay, so you know he is LE and 2 is CA, and due to U is what? Your U becomes DA. Okay, your U becomes DA. So this is simple. Just try to write the information well. Okay, just try to write the information very clearly so that you get your answer. Fine. Now, look at this question. It is saying in a certain language, scarce is coded as this. Okay, so it is the jumbling of this word. So, how is stable coded? Okay, so SCRCE. And what is this? CSRAEC. So, you know that these two words are flipped. Okay, these two words are flipped. So, let us like flip the words in stable. Okay, let us flip the word in stable. This is TS, this is BA, and this is EL. Okay, so now you know TS, BA, EL is our answer. Okay, so these are the questions you can do very easily. Fine. It is just reasoning. You just have to use your brain. Nothing very important. Okay, this already we did. Okay, this kind of question already we did, so I think you can find it, but let us still do. So 20 divided by 2 minus 3 plus 10 multiplied by 6. So minus, it is saying it is plus. So minus is here, this becomes plus. Okay. Now it is saying plus represents multiplication. Plus is here, let's multiply here. Okay. Then it is saying multiplication becomes division. So uh, we are okay, so multiplication means division. So here we are dividing, and division represents minus. So here we are subtracting. So what is this becoming? 20 minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 10 divided by 6. Obviously, you need to do bod mass. Okay, that is bracket of division, multiplication, subtraction you will do in the end. Okay, so 10 divided by 6. Okay, so 10 divided by 6 is basically 5 divided by 3. So 5 by 3 you do. है ना? Right here 5 by 3. So then you are left with now multiplication 5 into 3. So you get 5 only and then 2. So that is 7 only, and then 20 minus 7 is 13. Okay, 20 minus 7 is 13. Why it is not coming in our answer? Okay guys, look at this question. Uh, Okay, guys, look at this question. It is saying z is equals to 2197. Okay, it is saying z is equals to 2197. Okay, so z is which word in alphabetical series? It is 26. So we have to make some relation of 2197. Okay, because nothing else is given. Okay, so how can we make it 2197? Okay, how can we make it 2197? Fine. So we need to find that relation. Okay, and R it is given as 729. R it is given as 729. So which alphabetical word is R? So if you see, R is basically 18th. Okay, R is basically 18th. Okay, so 729, obviously we know, if we like look at 729, it is 9's cube. Okay, it is 9's cube. है ना? Because 9 into 9 is 81, and 81 into 9 is 729. Fine. And then you have 2197. 2197 is 26. Okay. So that is for 26 one. So 2197 should necessarily be the cube of something. Okay. So 9 cube is 729. We know the position of R is 18 in alphabetical order. So what we did here actually is R is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And 9's cube is 729. This is the logic which I am getting with R. So can I get like similar logic with Z as well? So let's first divide Z by 22. So 26 divided by 2 is 13. 13 square is what? I think everybody is familiar with 13 square. It is 169. Now we have to find the cube of 13. So let's just find the cube of 13. So that is 27. 6 threes are 18, 19, 20 to carry over, and you have 507. Okay, and this is 169. So you get 9, 1, 2197. So this logic works. Okay, this logic works what? That we take the alphabetical number, we take the alphabet, we find its position in the alphabetical order, we divide that by 2 and do the cube of the number. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5's cube is what? 125. So very simple. 125 is our answer. Okay, so this is how we do these kind of question. I know this was a little bit like very intuitive to deduce, but then if you know your squares and cubes well, so then you will be able to do it. Okay, so then you will be able to do it. Fine. See, this kind of questions are also very common in UPSC. In this question, it is saying Madras is coded as NBESBT. So this is very simple. We have to just replace this with the consecutive letter, okay? Because M is replaced with N, A is replaced by B, D is replaced by E, R by S, A by B, and S by T. So let us like write about Bombay. Okay, so B, let us replace this by C, and O, let us replace this by B, M, let us replace this by N, B again by C, A again by B, and Y, obviously you are going to replace this by Z. Okay, so you get CP N CBZ, and we get this answer. So these are very simple question, but still you will get one or two question in UPSC from this year as well. So it is not that always we have to do only difficult questions. Sometimes we need to just see the pattern of UPSC. Okay, so this is divided by 8. Now, it is saying divided represents plus. Okay, division represents plus. So this should represent plus. And it is saying multiplication, subtraction represent multiplication. So this should represent multiplication. Then it is saying addition represent division. So this should represent division, and multiplication represents subtraction. So this is it. So now we have 17 into 8 divided by 2 minus 9 plus 8. Okay. So basically first do this, then do this. Okay. Then add whatever is left and then subtract. Okay. So we have 17 into 4, which is 68. Okay, then add 68 and subtract from it. Okay, so now you know this is going to be minus 1, so you are going to be having it 67. Okay, so these are very simple question, very simple question. Okay, again then we have this in a certain code language. Cab is written as 6. Okay, cab is written as 6, LAN is written as 27. Okay, now this is very simple because your A is 1, B is 2, so C is 3, so you are getting this as 6. Okay, and if you consider like land, so you know that you can obviously write it. Okay, so or you can remember it, whatever works for you. GHIJKLMNOPQ. Okay, so we need only LAN and fan. Okay, so obviously you know this is 1 2 3 4 5. This is 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, only this much we need. Now say LAN. LAN means what? L is 12, A is 1, and N is what? 14. So that is obviously giving us 26 plus 1, 27. So fan will give us what? 6 plus 1, and N is 14. Okay. So 20 plus 1, 21 it will give. See, as and when you practice these questions, you will like get to know which alphabet is corresponding to which number. Okay. So this is a no brainer. Okay. But still these questions are asked in UPSC. Again we did this kind of question. Now look at this question. It is saying, if how are you, okay, how are you is written as ni ki se. Okay, and where are you is written as in ni blc. So you were here as ke ni jo. Okay, so how you here is written as what? So basically we need to like know about how and you, what are those words. Okay, and here. Okay, so see, in this two words are common, R and U are common, R and U are common, and in this two words are common, any and AC are common. We cancel this. So how we get is KI. Where is BL? We don't need where. Okay, we don't need where. Okay, fine. Now let us look in this. Okay, so you were here and how you there it is asking. Okay, so how you here, sorry, how you here it is asking. Okay, so what can you cancel here? You can cancel you here. Okay, you can cancel u here. So u, and what is common in this? Okay, common here. So you know u is ne. You know how is ki. Okay, now you know now you need only here. Okay, now you need to know only here. Fine. Now if this okay, now you need to know only what is here. Okay, Now, if you like consider this RU, okay. So you came to know U is any, okay. You came to know U is any. So you from here you know that R is SC. Okay, R is SC, you know. From here, you know R is SC. From here, you know where is BL. Okay, where is BL? Okay, uh, fine. And you were here. So here can either be KE. Okay, here can either be KE or were or it can be JO. Okay, either be KE or it can be JO. But you see, in no option we have JO as our option. Okay, so we consider here as KE. Okay, we consider here as KE. Fine. So how you hear? Okay, how you hear? So how can we write that? Okay, how can we write that? Obviously, now see, how are you? So we know how HAOW, it should be written as KI. R is what? R is SC. Okay. And U is what? U is NE. But it is written like NE SCKI. Okay. It is written, sorry, it is written as NEKISE. Okay. NEKI means this one you do first. Okay. This one you do second. And this one you bring in the last. This is the order SE. Okay. Now how you hear? How you hear? How is KI? U is any, and here is we like say it is Ke. Okay. Here we like say this is Ke. So what we'll do? We will take this here Ke in the first place. Ki we will move here. Okay, and NE we will move here. So we get our answer KE, KI and NE. Okay, KE, KI and NE. So this is our answer. So two, three things we have to like recognize here. Something we got from our options as well. Okay, so actually what is given to us in the question, listen carefully. Okay, so it is given how are you? Okay, how are you? It is given, and it is given to us that it is written as NEKISE, and then it is saying where are you? Okay, where are you? So what I did from here, it is written as NEBL and SE. Okay, so from here I come to know that this R and U are common, R and U are common. So I cut this NE and SE. So I came to know that how is KI. Okay, and where WHER where is BL. Okay, now further it is saying you were here. Okay, you were here is KENE. Okay, KENE and JO. So from here I get that only you is common in these sentences. So you definitely is any. Okay, so if U is any, R is definitely SE. Okay, if R is definitely SE, okay, if R is definitely SE, so like in these two, we know all the words. Okay, in these two, we know all the words. Now, were and here, okay, were and here can either be KE or JO, can either be KE or JO. Okay, now what is the sentence that I have to make? I have to make how you there. How, sorry, how you hear, sorry, how you hear. Okay, so how H, I know definitely this is KI. You, I definitely know this is NE. And what is here? Here HERE, so it can either be K or it can be JO. But in these options, it is not given anywhere JO. So definitely I can take this as K. Okay, definitely I can take this as K. Now what? Now see, this sequence is given nowhere. Okay, this sequence is given nowhere because I obviously know how you hear. So how is what? HOWH, this how is KI? R is AC and U is NE. Okay, but it is given as KE, KI and NE. Okay, sorry, it is given as, I'm extremely sorry here. Okay, It is given as NEKI and SE. Okay, NEKI and SE. So we move this here, we move this here, and we move this here. Okay. So similarly, what I do is in this question, what I do is I move this here, I move this here, and I move this here. Okay, same thing. So what I am getting here basically is KE, KI, and NE. Okay, KE, KI, and NE. So this is how we do these questions. Okay, fine. Let's move forward. Now look at this again. This is also simple. Car is written as 22, bus is written as 42, and tram is written as what? Okay, tram is written as what? So we have R from here, we have A from here, but we don't know about T and M. Okay, so let us consider whether we are getting 22 by car or not. Okay, so obviously PQR. So Q is 17, R is 18. Okay, C is 3 and A is 1. So car is obviously 22, so it is using your alphabetical order only. It is using your alphabetical order only. Fine. Now bus it is giving as 42. Okay, bus it is given as 42. S is 19 and U is what? Z, Y, X, U, V, W. Okay. So we have W, we have V, we have U. Okay. So you have this as 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, and UVW. Okay. So you have U as 21. Okay. So S you have 19. Obviously you have 21. B you have 2. Okay. So what is this? This is 40 plus 2 is 42. Okay, so now you know T is 20, R is 18, A is 1, and what is M? M, N, O, P, and P is what? P is 16, O is 15, N is 14, and M is 13. Okay, M is 13. Fine. So what we have to do? 20 plus 18. Okay, because T is 20, huh? 20 plus 18 plus A is what? 1 and plus M is what? 13. So what are we getting here? 38 plus 1 is 39 plus 13. Okay. So I am getting here 52. So 52 is your answer. So see these are very simple questions. Okay. These are very simple question. Now see this question can also be done. We just have to decode it. Okay. We just have to decode it. Now look at this. It is saying 12 at the rate 18 is minus 3, 18 at the rate 6 is equals to 6, 16 at the rate 8 is equals to 4. Okay, so what is 6 at the rate 10? Okay, what is 6 at the rate 10? Fine. So if like we do 20 minus 18, how much we'll get? Minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. Okay. Similarly, if we do 18 minus 6, we are getting 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay. Similarly, if we do 16 minus 8, we get 8 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay. So you understand this logic. Okay. You understand this logic. Okay. This is very simple logic. You understand this logic very well. Fine. So we are getting this. Now 6 at the rate 10 is equals to. Okay. 6 at the rate 10 is equals to what it is asking. So 6 minus 10 is obviously what? Minus of uh, minus of 4. Okay, and minus 4 divided by 2 is how much? It is minus 2. So your answer should be minus 2. Okay, I don't know why the answer did not come here. So the answer will be minus 2. The logic is very simple. Okay, you just have to subtract, you have to divide it by 2, keep the sign, and that is your answer. Okay, so these are very simple questions. Obviously, reasoning is simple. All right, let's move on. Uh, Now it is saying the following equation is incorrect. Which two signs should be interchanged to correct the equation? Okay. So now it is saying that the result of this is 40. There are two signs that are incorrect. So 10 plus 14 into 20 minus 7 divided by 10. Okay, minus 7. So first of all, we are going to divide because that is what the rule says. So that will be 0.7. Okay, and if we multiply this, it will be such a great number, 280. Okay, and then this is, so the answer is coming to be 290 minus 0.7. Okay, 290 minus 0.7. So let us the answer needs to come 40. Okay, so we have 10, 14, we have 20, we have 7, and we have 10. Okay, we have 10. So we need to make this what make this equal to 40. Okay, what we can use, we can use plus, we can use minus, we can use division, we can use multiplication. Okay, we can use all these things. Now see, most probably what is wrong, division and multiplication is wrong. Okay, most probably we see that division and multiplication is wrong. So is there option? So addition and multiplication is the option, addition and division is the option, division and multiplication should be, and minus and plus is the option. Okay, so if we do what, if in case of multiplication, if we add, okay, so then this becomes 34, but then we have to change this addition as well. Okay, then we have to change this addition as well. Fine, so we are not going to do that. Okay, guys, look at this question. The question is saying the following equation is incorrect. Okay, the following equation is incorrect, and we which of these needs to be interchanged? Okay, so let us do this question. Um, Okay, this is the question. So it is saying that the following equation is incorrect. So let us try to interchange it. Okay. So the option is missing here. So we have this positive sign and multiplication, positive sign and division, and positive sign and what division is has to be replaced with what. So what else is left? Division can either be replaced by negative sign, or it can be replaced by, let's say, plus or multiplication. Okay, so this is b only. uh, Fine. So either it could be minus or plus. So I didn't have the option for this. So but we'll check it, and then we have either minus or positive sign. Okay. So we have 10 plus 14 into 20 minus 7 divided by 10 is equals to 40. One thing is, obviously you can do by checking your options only. Okay. You can do by checking your options only. So what will you get here? See, here 10, if we interchange addition, so we will multiply this and we'll divide this by 20, and we'll divide this by, uh, okay, so plus and multiplication. So we'll add this by 20, then subtract this by 7, and then divide this by 10. So this will become 140 plus 20 minus 7 divided by 10. Okay, minus 7 divided by 10. So first of all, we'll do what? First of all, we'll do actually division. Okay, so we divide this, then we multiply this, then we add this, and then subtract this. Okay, so 140 plus 20 will become 160, and this will be minus 0.7. This is not happening for us. Now it is saying you can interchange division and addition. Okay, division and addition. So addition is 10 divided by 14 into 20. Okay, minus 7 and plus 10. Okay, so now let us do this. So 10 divided by 14 is actually what? 5 by 7. Okay, because 5 by 7. Fine. And then you have 5 by 7 into 20 minus 7 and plus 10. Okay. So now this is going to be 100, and this is 100 plus 70 it will become, because 170, and then 170 minus 49 divided by 7. Okay, divided by 7. So this is not coming to be 40. This is obviously not coming to be 40. So we don't have the option for this one. Okay. Um, Division and addition we have interchanged, we didn't get anything. Okay, now what is left? Division and subtraction, let us interchange. Okay, division and subtraction. So 10 minus 4, okay, into 20 minus okay, division and subtraction. Wait. So we have left like division and subtraction will interchange. Okay. So 10 plus 14 into 20, and instead of this minus 7 we write divided by 7, and instead of like this we'll write minus. Okay. We'll write minus of 10. Okay. Now let us see whether we get anything or not. Okay. So I hope we get here, because see obviously this 10 and 10 will get cancelled, but let us do this. So we have 20 divided by 7. Okay, so we have this as 40, and you have minus 10 and plus 10. So you remove this, you get 40. Okay, so what actually worked here? For what did we interchange? We interchange division and minus. Okay, division and minus sign. So it should be minus sign here. Okay, so you can obviously check with the help of option. Now here the option only was missing. Will my mistake. Okay, so you can check with the help of option. It is very simple. You will arrive at correct answer. This is not one of the questions that you won't be able to do, because answer is given. You just have to apply the information and you need to like check it. Okay, it is just asking you to check it. Fine. Now, the same kind of question is there, and this is also this is what you can make it out. Okay. Now, let us look at these kind of questions. These kind of questions are also very simple. Okay, because it is saying in a certain code, teacher means what? Teacher means V G C E J G T. So actually, like if you can see, a plus 1, sorry, a plus 2 is equals to c, because a, b, and then c plus 2 is equals to a, because c, d, and e. Okay, then plus 2 is equals to, and then plus 2 and plus 2 and plus 2 and plus 2 it is becoming. Okay, so this is what the code is. Now c will will be written as what? C will be written as e, h is written as j, I will be written as what? Obviously, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So you'll write this as K. Okay. D will be written as F. Okay. D will be written as S. Sorry, F. R will be written as what? R will be written as T. R will be written as T. E will be written as G again. And see, till now I think you have your answer. Okay. Okay, children it is. So L we left it out. Now what will be L written as? Uh, E F G H I J K L M N. Okay, so L will be written as N. E will be written as G. Okay, and N will be written as um, P. Okay, N will be written as P. So in these three options we have P. Okay, these three options we have P. Fine. E will be written as what? So it is E actually. So E should be written as G. So there is, I think, some confusion in this answer, because see, everything else is matching. What is matching? Um, we are correct when C is written as E. We are correct when H is written as J. We are correct when I is written as K. We are correct when L is written as N. We are correct when D is written as F. We are correct when in this, I think they became confused. Okay, I think they became confused because see, here it is GT. So here it should be TG. Okay, so the option is wrong. So I think the option is wrong here. So TG and P you are having. Okay, TG and P you are having. Fine. So this is what your answer should be. It should be E, J, K, F, T, G, and P. So please correct these options. The options are a little bit, I think, uh, printing mistakes. Okay. Um, So now look at this question, and it is saying certain code language trusty gate is written as QTTUIDBSD. Okay, how would statistics be written in that code? So I think coding, decoding, you understand now very well. Not very difficult thing. One of the most easiest thing to do. Okay, so these are very simple questions you will get in your exam. Please pay attention that it is just the plain logic that is applicable that you can obviously apply. Okay, that you can obviously apply. So this is up for this class.